Viram o que ele fez? Bom dia, pessoal. A really fun way to practice your Portuguese and directions specifically is to change your GPS into Portuguese. Now, I don't have a GPS system, so I'm going to use my phone, my internet data, and Google Maps. So my advice for you today is choose somewhere that you are familiar with, so a route that you already know, and ideally you'll have someone else to do the driving so that you can focus on the app and on the instructions. Now, before we begin, I'm going to show you how to change your language settings into Portuguese and how to change them back again. So go ahead and open up the Google Maps app, click on your profile icon and scroll down to the settings. In this menu, the language setting should be at the very top. Tap that and select Portuguese from Portugal. If the option to add Portuguese isn't available, you may have to download a language pack and install it on your phone. So after you select the language, a notification will pop up telling you that the app will reset and then you're ready. The next step is to decide where you're going. After you've decided the where, input the information into the search bar. I've decided to go to O Mercado Municipal de Tavira. Over here, you'll have a few options to choose from. If you press on Direções, it will give you a list of directions in written form. This is actually a really useful tool for you to review the instructions. I will link the images from this route in the description box below so you can follow along if you find the writing on the screen too small. Other useful information we can see here is what the fastest way is, trajeto mais rápido. We can also see what the traffic is like at this moment in time, aqui no trânsito. We can also see how long it will take us to get to the mercado. Vai levar cerca de 9 minutos. Trajeto mais rápido agora devido às condições de trânsito. Then we hit iniciar and we're off.
Seguir para sudeste, depois virar à esquerda.
Fazer marcha atrás. Vamos lá!
Virar à esquerda. Daqui a 100 metros, na rotunda, seguir pela terceira saída. Metros, na rotunda, seguir pela terceira saída.
Estamos numa subida. Estamos numa subida. Vamos para cima. Estamos a aproximar-nos de uma rotunda, olhar para a esquerda e ceder passagem. There was no voice instruction here, but I will read what it says in the app. Na rotunda, siga pela segunda saída e continue na N125. N stands for Nacional, as in Estrada Nacional. Now, on to the vida!
terceira saída.
Na rotunda, siga pela terceira saída para a Rua Almirante Cândido dos Reis.
Sair na rotunda. Daqui a 500 metros, na rotunda, seguir pela segunda saída.
Na rotunda, siga pela segunda saída e continue na Rua Almirante Cândido dos Reis.
Sair na rotunda. Daqui a 500 metros, na rotunda, seguir pela terceira saída.
Viram o que ele fez? Ups! Estamos a ir pela Rua Almirante Cândido dos Reis, depois vamos virar para a esquerda para a ponte. Na rotunda, siga pela terceira saída e continue na Rua Almirante Cândido dos Reis. Agora vamos pela Avenida Dom Manuel I.
Virar à esquerda.
Vir à esquerda em direção à Avenida Dom Manuel I. Vamos virar para a ponte. Vamos pela ponte.
Daqui a 600 metros, virar à direita. Virar à direita. Depois, virar à direita. Virar à direita. Daqui a 200 metros, virar à direita. Virar à direita. Depois, o seu destino ficará à esquerda.
Now, sometimes GPSs don't get everything right, like in my case here, it's telling me to continue following the road. But the fact is that here, I'm actually entering the bridge again, and as you know, we can't stop or turn on a bridge. And this is another reason why it's better to do this activity with someone else with you and with a place you know how to get to already. So this is where I turned instead, para o estacionamento.
O seu destino fica à esquerda.
Now I'm going to show you how to change your language setting back to English or your native language. So click on your profile icon again, scroll down to Definições. Find Idioma, the app, at the top of the menu and select English or your preferred language. Tap OK and Google Maps will reset back to your language. One thing you language buffs and linguists out there might find interesting is that the written instructions all use the imperative tense in the formal register, and the actual voice commands were all in the impersonal infinitive tense in Portuguese. See if you can find them all. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you don't have a car, that's okay. You can do this exercise as a walking exercise as well. You may have also noticed that in some instances I was using para, and in other instances I was using por in Portuguese. Now I have another video that will be linked right up here for you that explains how to get this right the majority of the time. The activity in this video today was also part of the 30-day free Portuguese challenge, so if you'd like to join that, it's free to do so. The link to do that will be in the description below, and I shall see you in the next video. Até já!